Hello students, this is the second part of the video on articles. In this video, we will be reading about the use of the in some more detail. Let us start. The definite article the is used when we refer to some particular person or thing. For example, the boys of this school are very obedient. Here, there are some particular boys who are pointed out, and it is said the boys who read in this, in say Ravindra Vidya Niketan, they are very obedient. So, when we point out to some particular persons or things, we use the article the. Now, here let us go to the club. Now, the listener is aware of the club of which the speaker is speaking about. Okay, so there is a particular club about which this both speaker and the listener, they have an idea. Okay, so that is the reason the as a definite article is being used in front of, that is before the noun club. Second rule, when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here, I am not pointing to a particular, a single dog. I am talking about dogs in general. Same, the rose smells sweet. Here, we mean that roses, all the roses in general. Now next, the is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges and groups of islands. For example, rivers like the Ganges, the Thames, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Yamuna, and then gulfs, the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, etc. Then seas like the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, and then the as islands in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Himalayas, the Alps, etc. Now, coming to the fourth rule, the is also used before the names of newspapers like the Times of India, the Amrit Bazar Patrika, the Hindustan Times, and then it also comes before sacred books like the Vedas, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Bible. Fine. Now coming to the fifth rule, the is used before common nouns which are names of things unique of their kind. Now we have got only one earth. Yes, we don't have many earths. There is only one sun. So we have to use a definite article whenever we use these words. The earth moves round the sun. The world is full of sorrow. Now, look at this rule. The is used before the names of famous buildings like the Red Fort, the White House, the Taj Mahal, the Qutb Minar. The is also used before names of people or nationality like the English, the French. Clear? Now remember, the is also used before these superlative degrees, or you can say adjectives in the superlative degree. For example, this is the best book I have seen. So, the is used before this superlative degree. I hope you remember about the degrees of adjectives, that is your positive degree, comparative and superlative degree, and that is good, better, best, and best comes under your superlative degree. Now students, here are some questions. You can go through it and you can try to answer these questions. Now we will be going in some more detail in our next coming online class. Thank you.